Hi everyone. Now I am starting with assisted modeling. Assisted modeling in alteryx assists users in building predictive models without needing extensive knowledge of data science or coding. It automates many aspects of the modeling process, including feature selection, model selection, hyperparameter tuning, and model evaluation. Then after build features, alteryx provides various tools for feature engineering, allowing users to create new features from existing data. These tools include formulas, aggregations, joins, filters, and more, enabling users to manipulate and transform data to extract relevant information for modeling. Then after classification, alteryx offers a range of classification algorithms, such as decision trees, random forests, logistic regression, support vector machines, and naive Bayes classifiers. These algorithms are used to predict categorical outcomes or classify data into predefined categories based on input features. Then after data health, alteryx includes tools for assessing the health and quality of data. These tools help identify missing values, outliers, duplicates, and other data issues that may affect the accuracy and reliability of predictive models. Then after feature types, alteryx supports various types of features, including numerical, categorical, date/time, and text features. Users can manipulate and transform these feature types using a combination of built-in and custom tools. Then after fit, in the context of machine learning, fitting refers to training a model on a dataset. Alteryx provides tools for fitting models to data, including configuration options for algorithm parameters and training/validation data splitting. Then after predict, after training a model, users can use alteryx to make predictions on new data. The platform provides tools for applying trained models to new datasets and generating predictions for target variables. Then after regression, alteryx supports regression analysis, which involves predicting a continuous outcome variable based on one or more input features. Users can choose from various regression algorithms, such as linear regression, ridge regression, lasso regression, and gradient boosting regression. Then after transformation tools, alteryx offers a wide range of transformation tools for pre-processing and manipulating data before modeling. These tools include data cleaning, normalization, standardization, encoding categorical variables, and creating interaction terms. Overall, alteryx provides a comprehensive suite of tools for building, evaluating, and deploying predictive models, making it a popular choice for data analysts and data scientists alike. Thanks for watching.